Hello. Right, so I'm just going to do a little breakdown of what's been happening this week. Obviously, it's not done a book of trading for a while, so apologies for the silence, but like I said, I'll try and keep it up to at least one video a week, keep going what I can. So we've had the monthly open, so let me just go higher. So we've had the monthly open up here. Looking at this from a objective rates, where's it going to go? Like we've had chop. Like if I were looking at this is a big pull down. Then we've had the choppy bit up here. I'm still wanting it to reach this bit eventually. Come to the week, still wanting it to reach up here. Eventually, like we're just getting bits wobbling about. So it is hard. Like, could this be the low of this move and it's going to go up here? Or is it going to keep coming down here? Did it just need to take this liquidity up here and then reverse? Obviously, we've had the leg in here. The leg in here has been quite aggressive down. We don't really know what's happening. You've had like the reaction in there, that's come down, this demand's held, this supply is held. So from a higher time frame point of view, it's very hard to see where you're going to be heading, in my opinion. Other people might see it differently to me. I just see it as we're kind of in this range. This is kind of holding. A big push down. Are we going to get a deeper pullback? Does it need to come further down here? Like you got to think this is going to play out over months. This is my eventual long-term target. Like this could play out what's over here? November. This could like come down here, then come up here, and then we could get like the high of the year next year, in like February or something. February, January. Like if it's going to be a bearish year, the odds of it being the high of the year being in the first few months is higher. So obviously, like we could do this, we could end up getting a bit of a pullback. Could even come down to here, to the extreme, start playing up, start going up, hit this in March or February, something like that, and then come down. I'm gonna save that. I'm gonna save that as my long term. But yes, we could get something like that, you know what I mean? So that's just my thought process for how that is going to work. But at the moment, we're just going to play short term. Like we've had this demand chain getting taken. It's been taken now. Let us pull up to here. Like when did the week start? The week started here. So is this going to be the high of the week straight away? Possibly interacted with a 4-hour zone. And then it's pushed off, which looks like we're getting a bit of a reaction to this FVG. So is it going to keep going down? Obviously, wow, sun is in my eyes. Obviously, as we are looking at here, we've had a sweep from that yesterday's daily high. Yesterday's daily high, we had a sweep, it's come down. But this demand's not broke it, has it? It's held, it's come down, it's trading down, it's just very, very choppy. Obviously, it is NFP week, so NFP, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I am trading Top Step now as well, so I might try and take a cheeky NFP trade. But yeah, we'll see. I'm probably gonna stick to that. We're gonna get a bit of a pullback further down here, at least. Like we could end up getting. Okay, we've got that's took liquidity, so we've got this extreme down here. So we could end up just coming down to here. But like I say, higher time frame, bigger picture. Are we going to keep coming further down? Or down to here? Just got to see which one is in control and play that as you would. But yeah, I'm just gonna hang fire till NFP tomorrow, see what's gonna happen with NFP, see what we get, see what kind of price action we get within NFP. What's the prediction? Focus previous. So yeah. So it has been getting, I can't remember, I always forget which is actual is good, actual greater than forecast. So this number has been dropping. So that is bad for the dollar, which, you know what I mean? So if that does come in, the past few months, has been this. So greater is good. And they're expecting it to be low. So what's been happening? Has it been priced in? Not really. Not really. It's just been dilly-dallying about. Maybe. God, sun is in my eyes. Oh, ignore me, ignore me. So that's got to go up. So maybe it could go up. Maybe we could get. Sorry, ignore me. I don't have any blinds in this room, and the sun is blasting in my eyes, and it's doing me in. So sorry. So if NFP is bad, it's going to go down. We could get it. Because look at this. This is primed for NFP being bad. Oh, that's crap. Yeah, so we've got this build up to it, build up to it. It could reach this like supply zone tomorrow in NFP and boom. So what could happen on this? It could go down. We could get a bit of a pullback through here. Could reach some of these FPGs and then shoot up and take all this out. I don't know. But it's not been priced in and it's quite bad. The past few have been good. That one, obviously, that was very bad. So if it carries on being bad, you could say that's going to be bad for the American economy. Apparently, I don't like to lean too much on fundamentals because it just doesn't seem to work out for me whenever I do it. So yeah, unemployment rate's been about the same for a few months, so nothing too major. Well, like that was COVID, wasn't it? So I'm not gonna think too much on this. I'm not gonna do euro. Yes, I'm not gonna think too much on this, but don't obviously discount it. Look for places where we are gonna go long. It's probably gonna be bad for the dollar tomorrow if it comes in at that price again. So yeah, we'll see. What happened last time? The 1st of August. First Friday of August. This was it, wasn't it? Really bad candle. So they kind of expecting it to be that kind of set the precedent for 160 pip move. That kind of set the precedent for August that it was bad, so it kept on going up. But it's pulling down here, it's pulling down here. So yeah, I'm gonna say it's probably gonna go up. Well, then the UK has been bad as well. But that's what could be happening with the euro. Obviously, it's in this bit of a range. It's not really committing to any which way. So yeah, I'm not really sure which way this is going to go. It could come down. It's got a lot of liquidity resting below this zone now, so we could see a come down into here, then rock it up once we have negated some price, if that makes sense. We could have a bit of a pullback Friday morning, get to half one here, could shoot up. So I'm possibly seeing it just playing the NFP. I'm not going to do a breakdown of Euro at the minute because we are just stuck in this absolutely trash range. It's just not very good. Yeah, it's just like not good. no direction, clear direction, all like that's held today. This is held today. It's just yeah, well not today. They held the other day. It's just then it's coming to this FPG and it's coming down. It's just very choppy. It's just not good. That's just not good to trade. I'm preferring this at the moment, even though this has been crap today. But you've got at least you've got a bit more direction. Supply's held here. You've got a demand hold yet. Could it come down here? How far's it got to go to come to there? 115 pips. Could we look into that tomorrow and then boom, shoot up. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to end it at that. Don't want to waffle on too much, but that's how I see price heading at the moment. Obviously, long-term targets are bullish, but it could take a while to get there. All right. I will see you later on. Thank you for listening.